Yeah. That. How do we send a secure email from Dynamics there? Just get rid of the secure email, but just put via email. And then just check the ERD. Is there an ERD in this enforcement section? There isn't yet, is there? So okay, it needs putting in. So within the ERD, I've put the within the